Welcome to Year 11 Higher Progress Test 1B, Question 8. Now Question 8, we are asked to find angle Y in this triangle. Now to do this, we are going to have to use the sine rule, as we have two sides and two angles. So that means that we have A over sine A equals B over sine B, or we're going to use sine A over A equals sine B over B. Now as we have a missing angle, we are going to use the one where the angle is the numerator. So first thing we need to do is we need to label our triangle. We label angles with a capital letter. So angle Y is A, and that means the corresponding opposite side is going to be lowercase a, and this angle 34 is going to be B. So that means that the 10 centimeters is going to be B as well. Now, knowing this, we're going to substitute this into the formula that we've highlighted. So that means that sine of y over 16 equals sine of 34 over 10. Now, we're going to multiply both sides by 16 to get sine y on its own. So this gives us 16 sine 34 over 10. Now we're going to have to do the inverse of sine to be able to get y. So y equals the inverse of sine with a negative 1, of 16 sine 34 over 10. At this point, once I have y equals, I'm going to use my calculator. So we need to do shift sine to give us inverse of sine, and then we need 16 sine 34. Now remember to close the brackets before you move on to the denominator, all over 10, and again we need to close the brackets off, press equals, and we get our answer of 63.47. Now I'm going to use 63.5 just to one decimal place. Now, just checking the question, we notice that y has to be obtuse. That means that it needs to be larger than 90 degrees. Now we can see that 63.5 is not bigger than 90 degrees. So to find the obtuse angle, we need to do 180, take away 63.5. This tells us that y equals 116.5 degrees. So 116.5 degrees. Thank you for listening.